Hi, in today's video I'm going to help you create a free website using a free software WordPress. All we need is a domain name and web hosting. We are going to use a website which allows us to do it completely for free. We just need to create a free account over there. Watch this tutorial until the end so you don't miss any of the important steps to get your free website up and running. Step 1. Come to the website pantheon.io and click on Start Free to create your free account. You can create your account with your Google account or simply fill in the details, your first and last name, email, password, and your country. Once you created your account, you are going to log into your dashboard like this and click on Create New Site. Now choose WordPress. Now just enter your site name depending on what theme you are going to use. I'm going to type something like example tutorial website. Scroll down and click on Continue. Wait for it to load. Wait for it to do its job of loading. To deploy CMS, we are using WordPress. Once it is completed, click on Visit your Pantheon site dashboard. Then click on Visit Development Site. Choose your preferred language. I'm going to use English. Continue. Now you will need to fill in the details about the site title. I'm going to use example video tutorial. Username. Choose your password and your email address. And then click on Install WordPress. And now you are going to simply click on Login with your username and your generated password. Simply log in with your details and click on Login. Then you are going to be redirected to your WordPress dashboard. And now what we are going to do, go to Plugins, add a new plugin. We are going to use Astra plugin for all the different themes. Choose these starter templates, Elementor, WordPress, and Beaver Builder templates. Install it, and then click on Activate. Now it is going to ask you, how would you like to build your website? Choose these classic starter templates, build with templates. I'm going to choose Elementor because it is my preferred style and I have a lot of experience using it. Now you can select from many different. Choose your desired one. Let's use this one, Love Nature for example. Now it is going to ask you to add a logo for your site. If you don't have one, don't worry, they already have it in this example template. You can change it later on. I already have one logo, so I'm going to change it here. Click on Upload File, select Files. I'm going to use this custom logo. Click on Select. Now you can change the width, smaller and larger. And click on Continue. You can even change colors. Just choose what you like. You can also change fonts. And click on Continue. Now it is asking us to submit our details, but we don't need to. We can just scroll down and submit and build our website. Now it is building our website with the theme we have chosen. Just wait for it to finish. And here it is. Our website is created and it took 29 seconds. Click on View Your Website. And here we have our free website. Have a look at it. Scroll down. Then you can scroll back up. If you want to change any details, simply click over here, Edit with Elementor. On the right side you have your navigator for all your different sections. You can just press Exit. Just click on any section. Now you can delete and add your own text. For the sake of this video, we're going to just use an example. Example video tutorial. You can go to Style, Typography, and change the size. Just scroll it left and right. You can even change the color. Here we have our text color, white. We can choose red. or you can use a black color. If you want to remove any section, just come to this edit heading, right click and delete, and it is deleted. Now if you want to change the background of your section, just click on these dots, edit container, click on style, and now we see our background image. We can click on it and choose some other image. Let's use this one over here. Click on select. And we just change our background image. You can add your own services, testimonials. I will create another video in full detail how to do all of it. But for the sake of this video, we are just learning how to create a free website. Once you have changed any details, just click on update and wait for it to update, and your changes are saved. Now you can exit this page, click on X, and now you can have a look at changes you have made. Just visit your site. And here you go, your changes have been saved. Now this is the URL of your new created website. Just copy it, right click, copy. I'm going to show you how to log in once you have logged out. If you want to log out, just come to the top right corner on your empty image and click log out. Now click on new tab and paste the URL of your website. And now all you need to do is type vp-admin. Click enter. It is going to redirect you so you can log into your dashboard again. Just use your login credentials. Log in and you are back to your dashboard. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped you to create your free website. Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe and comment down below if you run into any issues. I'm happy to help you out.